Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a new site from where you can earn some cryptocurrencies. As you can see, I'm on the Faucet Pay dashboard page where there's some portfolio value and coins collected today. There's one payout that is through referral and it is from mixcrypto.com. The withdrawal proof of this site I will share on the top right. So moving on to the site is named as LTC Faucet, where you can earn other cryptocurrencies as well, including LTC. So it is asking for a manual registration. I'll go with the Faucet Pay email ID. So if you go to the dashboard of the site, you can see that it has got a zero token balance and there are other faucets through which you can make some earning. There's a daily bonus claim. So if I claim that, I'm getting 50 tokens. And also, if I see, I can have other token earnings as well, including LTC and BTC. So if I go to the left hand side of the menu, so you have referrals. So if I click on this, as you can see, you have short links, manual faucet, matte faucet. Matte faucet is for 10 seconds, manual faucet is for 3 minutes. So if I see this, you can get 70 tokens and 250 claims per day. And for every 3 minutes, you can claim a token. For that, you will have to go through the anti-bot check. So once I do that, you will have to click on the buttons in the order that is shown on the tab for anti-bot. So once you do that, you get 70 tokens. So as you can see, 249 claims are left. And you can also earn through short links. There's a coupon code. There's the auto faucet and the PTC as well. These are usually available on other sites, but I am more interested in the faucet because I usually earn through faucets rather than going through the tedious process of viewing all the short links and PTC ads. So if you do have time, you can go through that. So here is a transfer where you can make a transfer from the main balance to your deposit balance. Currently, I don't have any amount, so I'm not going to make any transfer. But this is the link where you can do that. You also have advertising. You have a deposit where, like, if you want to create an advertising campaign for you on this site, you can make some deposit and go ahead with that. So as you can see, you can either convert from USD to token to USD, and the minimum deposit is 0.5 USD, and it has to come through the Faucet Pay. So once you do that, you will have to go for the withdrawals because once you have made an earning, you have to withdraw that. So I am going to check how we can withdraw it. Currently, I have 120 tokens and I don't have any deposit balance. So here minimum withdrawal is 1000 tokens, but I have only 120. So if I earn for another 10 days without seeing any short links or PTC ad, I can claim 1000 tokens and I can withdraw. But if you view the other payment or earning methods like short links and PTC ads, you can earn with short links it is 150 tokens and with PTC probably 100 to 100 tokens you can earn. So if I click on PTC, it shows 270 tokens. So if I add the two, it's around 350 tokens. So you can earn for 3-4 days continuously to make a 1000 token withdrawal limit. So once you do that, you can withdraw it. I'll make another video to show the withdrawal proof. This video is basically a brief review on what methods are available on the site for earning a passive income. So if you find some value in this video, please comment, and I'm going to share the link of the video, link of the website, the link of the site, freeltc.online. I'll share the link in the description as well. If you find some value in this video, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.